Hey Shugs, welcome back to my channel, Anxiety Art Adventures. I hope all of you are having a fabulous day today. My name is Laura, and today is an announcement video to talk about Claws and Paws 2025. This is a diamond painting event that is going to happen August 1st through the 31st of this year. This event it's an annual event that I host with my friend and lovely shug, Miss Hannah, Sparkling Spectrumite. So let's get into it. Claws and Paws 2025. Okay, about your co-host, Miss Hannah. She and I are thrilled to be hosting this again this year. Last year it was Fantastic Felines, and we decided to go back to Claws and Paws because it opens up more possibilities for people to diamond paint any animal with claws, any animal with paws. So, but we are thrilled to be hosting it again this year. I will have Hannah's all of her information in the description down below. So please go follow her and check her out. She is just an amazing, amazing friend, and I am truly blessed to know her, and I'm very grateful that she is hosting with me this year. We both love crafting, all kinds of crafts, and of course, we adore our animals and all animals. But especially our pets. So we wanted to share our passion of our pets with our friends. And we know a lot of you out in the community feel the same way about pets and animals. So we're really excited to do the event again. And we hope that all of you are going to participate with us again this year. Okay, event requirements. We strongly prefer a licensed diamond painting. It's not required, but we do prefer it. And the reason for that is because we both feel that when you purchase a licensed diamond painting, you know that the artist of that piece and that canvas, you know that they are getting paid and compensated fairly. It's, you know, you're getting a legit canvas. It's not stolen artwork. But Hannah and I both feel strongly about this, and we really prefer you to use a licensed diamond painting. Now, there are lots of companies out there that will offer you licensed kits that are small to medium size in the budget-friendly area. So please, feel free to check those out. And in order to win the grand prizes, you will have to work on a licensed diamond painting. That is a requirement for the grand prizes. Okay, so we want you to post progress photos to Instagram using the hashtag Claws and Paws 2025. And we also have a Facebook group that you can post progress photos in. And I will have all of that down in the description below. Feel free to join that group now. I have wonderful moderators for that group. I'm not on Facebook that much, just for personal reasons, but my wonderful moderators are handling that group and doing an excellent job. So thank you so much to them for that. Okay, so you're going to want to comment on weekly whip-in chats in August. Hannah and I are going to rotate in August every other week who does a whip-in chat. And you want to comment on those whip-in chats using a secret keyword that you'll hear somewhere throughout the whip-in chat. And then, of course, there will be a Google document form that you need to fill out. You need to fill that Google document form out because if you don't fill that out, you can't be eligible to win any prizes. And we're going to do things a little bit differently this year. We're going to announce weekly winners on my live streams every Monday night on Mellow Monday Lives. We're going to use the Wheel of Names, and we're just going to do a live announcement and pull winners that way. But in order to be eligible for, to be a winner, you have to fill out the Google form. We have to see progress photos, all of that good stuff. So those are the requirements. Really low key, laid back. You just work on any canvas that has an animal in it with claws or paws, any animal whatsoever. Just work on what you want, Shug. And of course, we are open to having this event if it, overlaps another event and your canvas works for other events. Please feel free to use that canvas for whatever event. We feel the more the merrier. The more the merrier. So you're knocking out, two birds with one stone. I have a Sterling up here with me. He might try to mess up my presentation here, Shug. Okay. Our wonderful sponsors. We have some wonderful, just generous sponsors this year. Of course, we have some from previous years, and then we have some new sponsors. So we have Bijou Bliss. Of course, you all know Bijou does just beautiful trays for the community, for our diamond painting community. We have Crafts with Crashly, all of her beautiful release papers and cover minders and gadgets. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love her stuff. Columbine Farm, that is actually Hannah's mom. She has a soap and lotion business that she does. She has a goat farm and she does all of her products. They're handmade, but she is going to be offering a beautiful grand prize for us as a gift basket. So thank you so much to Hannah's mom for offering to be a sponsor. DP with Sparklers is another new a new sponsor this year. T-Ma is gracious enough to be giving us some gift cards for the event. So thank you so much to Miss T-Ma. Y'all know DP with Sparklers has awesome special drills for your kits and some diamond paintings and also some enhancement suggestions. Okay, Enablers Outpost, we all know. We love Enablers Outpost. They are actually have been willing to work with us to offer 2 canvases from Cheryl Carpenter that are event themed, Birdie and Viscous. And I've announced those before, but I have those canvases here. I have 1 Birdie, 1 Viscous. So those are going to be some prizes for some lucky winners. So thank you to Enablers Outpost. Kevin's DP Pens. Kevin and Erica are going to offer some event-themed pens. I don't know what they are yet. It's going to be a surprise. I'm very excited to see what they're going to look like. But thank you to Erica and Kevin for offering those pens for us. Shire Shenanigans, another new one coming in. We all know Nicole's cover minders are just fabulous, handmade wooden cover minders. And I'm very, very excited to see what kind of cover minder is going to be designed for the event. I basically said, I told all the sponsors, basically, y'all just have free reign, design what you want, and use your imagination. So I'm very excited to see what's gonna happen for the event. Yay. And of course, We Wax Crafts. I have to sponsor my own event, right? Right. So it'll probably be a wax and putty combo of the same scent. I have no idea what scent yet, but I'll figure it out before the event. Okay. So those are the sponsors so far for the event. If you are interested in sponsoring, just reach out to me. All of my information will be down below, but that is currently our sponsor list for the event. Okay, so prize information. Physical prizes are for the domestic United States only, and that is just because of all of the shipping craziness going on right now around the world. But the gift cards are eligible for domestic or international winners. So we wanted to make sure that they had the opportunity, our international friends across the pond had the opportunity to, get a gift card. So gift cards are going to be eligible for both. Now, the grand prize is a $100 donation to an animal rescue shelter of the winner's choice in the United States only. And it does need to be a not-for-profit 501c3 organization. So if you are the winner, please make sure that the rescue or shelter does have those specifications for their organization, and that's for tax purposes. But Hannah and I are thrilled to offer that donation out of our own pockets because that's how strongly we feel about, our love of animals, and we want to donate. So that is the grand prize winner. And then, of course, the other grand prize winner is going to be the Columbine Farm gift basket, which is going to have handmade soaps, lotion, probably some other things. I'm not sure what all is going to go in there. It'll be a surprise, but they are fabulous, fabulous items. I love her soap and lotion so much. And they are all handmade. And they don't have any, any chemical-y stuff in them. So it's fabulous products. Okay, the weekly prizes, like I said, will be announced on live every Monday in August. So we will, announce our weekly prizes on my live every Monday. And then grand prize winners will be announced on a live stream after the event is finished. So it'll probably be the first week in September, whichever the first Monday in September falls on after Labor Day. If it falls on Labor Day, which it probably will, we'll do it the week after since that's a holiday. Okay, so that's the prize information. I think I've covered everything. Like I said, it's a very low key. You do not have to have a new start. You don't have to have a finish. We just want you to work on a canvas that, is an animal, that is claws or paws. And it's just a fun event. It's just a fun event with some prizes thrown in there too. So again, I want to thank Hannah, my beautiful co-host, for helping me again this year with the event. We always look forward to this event, and we hope that all of you are going to participate with us again this year. And a big shout out to all of the sponsors for the event. Thank you so much for not only donating your physical items, but your energy and your time and your consideration for our event. So we are truly blessed to have those sponsors with us. So, all right. Well, I think I've covered everything. Hannah and I both thank everyone. And if you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. And why don't we leave a dog or cat emoji for our lurkers out there, since I now have lots of lurkers, which I adore my lurkers. But yeah, feel free to comment down below with any questions you have. So we look forward to seeing all of you in August. And yeah, I can't believe August is already going to be here before we know it. So anyway, I hope all of you have a fabulous, fabulous rest of your week, and we will see you again very, very soon. Bye, Shugs.